Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will compare both Nirvana Ivy and both Nirvana Ion ANC. The both Nirvana Ivy and both Nirvana Ion ANC are both premium headphones from Bose, but they have distinctive features that cater to different users' preference. The both Nirvana Ivy is known for its stylish design and comfortable fit. It offers excellent sound quality with powerful drivers, providing a rich audio experience for music lovers. The Ivy features active noise cancellation or ANC, which helps block out ambient noise for a more immersive listening experience. With a battery life of around 20 hours, these headphones are designed for extended use, making them ideal for both casually listening and long commutes. In contrast, the both Nirvana Ion ANC focuses more on delivering high-quality sound and advanced features. It also comes with ANC technology to reduce background noise, but it often emphasizes enhanced bass performance for a dynamic audio experience. The Ion ANC typically offers longer battery life, usually around 30 hours, making it suitable for users who need longer usage without frequent recharging. It may also include additional features like touch control and voice assistant integration. If you prefer a stylish design with a solid sound quality for everyday use, the both Nirvana Ivy is a great choice. However, if you want longer battery life and enhanced bass performance for a dynamic listening experience, the both Nirvana Ion ANC may the better option. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.